Hey, what's going on? Coach D here, and welcome back to our Tai Chi 24 form movement breakdowns. Today we're working on big circle cross with kick left and transitioning into snake creeps down left. All right, let's get to it. Hey, what's going on? We're working on big circle cross with kick left side. We finish with bees buzz ears with our right bow stance.
We start by moving the body backwards and turning to the left, lifting the right toe and turning inward with the whole foot firmly on the ground. Change the fist to a palm and part each side with the eyes following the left hand. Move the body to the right and the left foot to the inner side of the right foot with the toe touching the ground. Move the hands in arcs, first upward, then downward in front of the chest, with palms facing the rear and eyes looking to the left. Next is standing on one foot, extending left leg. Take back the left foot with the knee bent, turn the upper body to the right and bend the right fingers. When turning the body, move the left hand in an arc to the right shoulder with the eyes following the right hand. Bend the right knee and lower the body. Extend the left leg to the left. Move the left hand forward by the inner side of the left leg with the palm facing forward and the eyes following the left hand.
All right, that has been turning circle cross with kick, transitioning into snake creeps down left. And I want to take a moment to thank everyone that's been watching these videos. Hopefully they've been helpful in your practice, and I will see you guys on the next one. All right, peace.